Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with PayPal business account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize with a PayPal business account, first, visit the PayPal website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address associated with your PayPal business account. Next, input your password and click on the login button. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This option is usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. In the account settings, locate the Business Information tab. Click on it to view your account details. Next, find the API Access option in the drop-down menu. Click on API Access to manage your API credentials. You may need to select the option for Manage API Credentials. Here, you will find your API username, password, and signature. To authorize a new application, copy these API credentials. Now, open the application or service you wish to integrate with PayPal. Find the section for payment processing or third-party integrations. Paste the API username, password, and signature into the respective fields. Be sure to double-check each entry for accuracy. Once completed, look for a button that says Authorize or Save Changes. Click on it to finalize the authorization process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating a successful integration. Your PayPal business account should now be authorized for use with the application. If any errors occur, revisit the API credentials for accuracy. Once everything is set up, you can begin processing payments. Congratulations, you're all set to use your PayPal business account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.